Namaskar, very good morning. In today's period, we are going to know the retailing part third. That is entitled as e-commerce. It means that electronic commerce. Try to understand. The exact meaning of e-commerce means electronic commerce. E-commerce allows consumers to electronically exchange goods and services with no barriers of time or distance. It means that 24 by 7 such type of e-commerce service is available there. That's why there is a no barrier of time and also distance. There is a no barrier about the distance also. From America also you can import the material. You can place the order through your email. From each and every part of the world you can purchase the material through the e-commerce. That's why there is a no barrier about the distance also. E-commerce has expanded rapidly over the past 10 years and continues to accelerate. You will find there such type of e-commerce is growing and growing since the last 10 years. Retailing industry including fashion retails and grocery retailing have caught on the bandwagon, try to understand, bandwagon and have begun to the e-trading or online shopping. It means that such type of retailing is also growing since from the last 10 years. And such type of retailing industry, what type of retailing industry there? It includes fashion retailing and grocery retailing. Now, online stores. Online stores have shopping carts. Try to understand. Online stores have shopping carts. Shopping cart software. Try to understand. This is a software, and such type of software allows customers to purchase goods and services. It means that through such type of shopping carts, a customer can purchase goods and services, track customers, and ties together all aspects of e-commerce into one whole. Okay, one cohesive whole. It means that such type of online stores are also there. Try to understand. Very simple concepts are there. Within one click also you can place the order and you can purchase the material from the any corner of the world. Okay, e-commerce can be very rewarding venture. That is very rewarding venture, but you cannot make money oversight. Okay, you cannot make money overnight also. That's why you have to make efforts. It is important to do a lot of research, ask questions, work hard, and make on business decisions on fact learned from the researching e-commerce. It means that these are the features of e-commerce you have to understand. It means that 24 by 7 services available there. There a lot of research work is also required there. You can ask the questions wherever and whenever you want. You have to work hard and you can make decision about the facts you have learned from the researching e-commerce. In this way, e-commerce is now emerging trend in retailing also. E-commerce is growing day by day. Try to understand. It is growing day by day in both B2B, means business to business. It means that one business can purchase the product from the another business. That's why B2B such type of style is also growing. Now B2C, it means that business to consumer. It means that consumer can purchase the goods and products from the business. That's why B2C, that is also arising concept. Okay, all companies have realized the need of e-commerce and they are having such type of a need of e-commerce strategy as a part of overall retailing strategy. In the early 1990s, try to understand, in the early 1990s we saw companies setting up websites with very little understanding of e-commerce and consumer behavior, because at that time there was no more understanding, there was no more knowledge about e-commerce and also consumer behavior. But nowadays you will find lot of knowledge is available about the e-commerce and consumer behavior also. E-commerce as a model, try to understand what is it. E-commerce as a model is totally different from the traditional shopping in all respect. It means that definitely you will find e-commerce is totally different from regular shopping retailing. Okay, traditional shopping retailing, that is totally different. That's why you have to understand the exact meaning of e-commerce also. Try to understand. Then what are the benefits or what are the advantages of e-commerce, and those benefits also you have to study. There are n number of benefits of the e-commerce. First benefit is there, faster buying procedure or process. Already I told you, e-commerce is very faster than the other methods. Okay, within one click also you can understand, you can see the variety of the product, you can make contact to the retailers, you can make contact to the wholesaler, you can make contact of the each and every aspect of the uh, retail chain. Okay, and supply chain also. That's why that is very faster process, and this is the first advantage. It means that within 1 second also you can contact to the retailer. Through email also you can make contact. Okay, through different types of the internet facilities are also there, through that facility also you can make contact. That's why this is a faster buying process, and this is the first advantage. Then store and product listing creation. Such type of a store and product listing creation is also possible. With the help of e-commerce, you can make list of stores also, and you can make list of products also. It means that n number of stores are available there. N number of stores are available in different spaces of the world, and such type of a list you can prepare, and products also available. You can make such type of products in list, and this is also the advantage. Then cost reduction, definitely this type of a most beneficial advantage you can get here. Cost reduction means there is no cost required for making such type of a transaction, and such type of a cost reduction means there is no need of journey, there is no need of any other inquiry, there is no need for spending the time, there is no need for spending the money also. It means that your cost is reduced there. That's why cost reduction, this is also the very important advantage of e-commerce. Then affordable advertising and marketing is also possible. With the help of e-commerce also, affordable means affordable, economical. Okay, such type of affordable advertising and marketing is also possible. With the help of e-commerce also, you can make effective promotional practices, effective advertisings you can make also, and effective marketing is also possible with the help of e-commerce. That's why affordable advertising and marketing, this is also the advantage of e-commerce. Then flexibility for customers, it means that there is no rigidity, there is a flexibility for the customers. It means that different types of these sites are also available, different types of these stores are also available, different types of the merchants are also available, different types of the products are also available, and among those products and from those products customer can make choice. Okay, customer can select. That's why there is a flexibility for customers also. No reach limitations, there is also no reaching limitations. Try to understand. It means that you have to know make such type of a journey. That's why no problem about reaching there. You can reach on each and every part of the globe through single click. That's why there is a no limitation. From the your native place you can contact to everywhere of the globe. Okay, that's why there is a no limitation, and this type of advantage is also there. Then product and price comparison, there are different types of the websites are also available, different types of the portals are also available. From those websites, from those portals, you can inquire about the price, you can inquire about the quality products, you can inquire about the feature of the product, and after collection of such type of information you can make comparison. That's why product and price comparison is also possible with the help of e-commerce, and this is also the very important advantage of the e-commerce. Then faster response to buyer or market demands, very faster response to the buyer is also available there. If you place the order to the particular company for the particular product, at that time immediately you will receive the mail, immediately you will receive the call about the product, about the price, about the any factor of the purchasing. It means that this is the faster response, and such type of response is very very important in case of buyers, and market demands are also there, and such type of a faster response and faster market demands are also possible with the help of e-commerce. That's why that is the advantage. Then several payment modes are also there. There are n number of payment modes are also there. Bank transfers are also there, money transfers are also there, Paytm is also there, Google transfers are also there. Different types of the portals are available for transferring the money, and different types of the options are also available, different types of the modes are also available for making the payment. That's why this is also very very important advantage of the e-commerce also. Then low financial cost, already I told you there is no need for making such type of expenditure, more expenditure for traveling expenditure, inquiry expenditure, or any other expenditure. It means that such type of a cost is not needed. That's why low financial cost, this is also advantage of e-commerce. Then another advantage is also there. What is it? 24 by 7 service is available there. 24 by 7 potential income is also possible there. Such type of portals are also available 24 by 7. That's why your meter of income will be running 24 by 7. It means that potential income is also possible there. Then sale internationally is also possible. Your international sale is also possible with the help of e-commerce, with the help of different types of the network also. You can make sale of your product at international level, and this is also very important advantage of the e-commerce. Then easy to showcase best sellers. क्या बात है, that is also very very easy to showcase the best seller. Okay, and such type of a showcase and such type of easiness is also essential there. That's why this type of a benefit is also there, and that benefit also we can understand. Then another benefit is also there. What is it? That benefit is also there. Affordable employees. What is it? Affordable employees. What is the meaning of affordable employees? What do you mean by affordable employees? Affordable employees means what? What is the exact meaning of affordable employees? It means that there is no extra cost is required there. There is no additional cost is required there. That's why such type of employees are also affordable rate. Okay, and such type of employees are also there. That's why those are called affordable employees. And this is also very very important advantage of the e-commerce. Try to understand. Then another benefit is also there, that is easier to encourage impulse buys. What is the advantage? Easier to encourage impulse buys. Okay, such type of buys are also there, and such type of buys can easily encourage the impulse. Okay, then another, easy to retarget or remarket to the customers. Retarget, first of all you have to target the customer, target the market. Again, if any experience is there, you can retarget such type of a customers and market also. And this type of a benefit is also there, this type of advantage of e-commerce is also there. That's why easy to retarget and easy to remarket to the customer. Then customer gets a less invasive experience. Try to understand, customer can get the best experience from such type of e-commerce. Okay, then another thing is also there, gain access to customer data easily. You can access the customer data easily also, and this type of a benefit is also there. Within single click also you can get different types of the data from the website, from the web pages, from online facilities, and this type of advantage of e-commerce is also there. Another advantage is also there. What is it? Able to process a high number of orders within fraction of second. Also you can process the high number of orders are also there. It means that speedy procedure is also there, and this is also very very important advantage. Then can scale business quickly. It means that such type of e-commerce can scale quickly such type of a business. Then grow your business originally with content. क्या बात है, with the help of originality you can grow your business, and it is possible with the help of e-commerce, and these are the advantages of the e-commerce. Then another thing is also there. What is it? um, One side we have studied. What is it? Advantages or benefits of e-commerce we have studied. Now what are the disadvantages of e-commerce? What type of disadvantages are also there possible in case of e-commerce? There are n number of advantages, and the same situation you'll find different types of the disadvantages are also there. What are those? Those are also enlisted here in this slide. First disadvantage is also there, that is no one can buy during the site crash, because everybody want to get experience from that actual product. That's why nobody is ready to purchase during site crash. This is the disadvantage. Then customers cannot try before they buy. It means that whatever products are available on the site, those products cannot be trialed by the customers. It means that customer cannot make trial of that product, and that is also one lacuna or one disadvantage of the e-commerce. Another disadvantage is also there. E-commerce is highly competitive. There is competition in the market also, and e-commerce market also there is very intensive competition there. And to face the competition and to success the competition, much more efforts are also required there. That's why e-commerce is highly competitive, and this is also one type of the disadvantage. Then customers can be impatient. Customer can be impatient. Certain patients are also required there, but customers are not in such type of a position. That's why also this is also one type of a disadvantage. Then shipping time can be lengthy. It means that the transportation, shipping and transportation, this is also very important stage in e-commerce. And the shipping times, such type of shipping times also the lengthy time, that is also very lengthy time. That's why lengthy procedure cannot be accepted by the customer. Don't forget at all. Such type of a lengthy time is also not beared by the customer, and this is also one type of the disadvantage. Then physical retail is still more popular despite decline. Okay, although it is declining, but physical retailing is more popular still today also. Then e-commerce suffers from credit abuse because credit facility is not available there, and that's why it is also suffering. Then slow interconnectivity. Slow interconnectivity is another problem. Try to understand, internet connectivity is also essential, and interconnectivity is also essential there, but such type of a connectivity is not fast, that is a slow, and such type of a slow interconnectivity is the another problem of the e-commerce. In this way, these are the different types of the disadvantages. Now we have to understand some points while you are going to start an e-commerce site. Some of the points that the retailer should keep in the mind while starting the e-commerce sites. Which points he has to keep in the mind? Different types of the points are there which are enlisted here. First point a retailer should have to keep in the mind, that is know market trends, opportunities as well as threats. Very important points are there. Retailer should have to know market trends, which trend is there in market, what type of product is going to sell there in market, and what type of fashions are there, what type of expectations of the customers from the products are also there, and what type of opportunities are also there. And those opportunities you have to ascertain, you have to understand, you have to know, and as well as what type of threats are also there. It means that retail strategy involves planning for business growth and companies. Try to understand. Retail strategy involves planning for what purpose? For the business growth. And companies will have to deal with various external factors. And try to understand. Dealing with external factor, that is very important, and that is also very crucial job. And external factors are beyond the control. That's why dealing with such type of factors, this is also one type of effective skill. Okay, then another point also retailer should have to understand, retailer should have to keep in mind, that is focus has to be customer. It means that your each and every activity should be customer oriented, consumer oriented. While selling through physical traditional store, there exists a physical experience from the customer's end, and hence it is easier to build customer relationship. It means that in traditional stores also building customer relationship is very simple, very easy. But through e-commerce, that is very difficult task. E-commerce platform has got two device methods. What type of methods has got to device methods to reach out the virtual customers on one-to-one basis and build the relationship. It all begins with the nice, easy to use websites which presents the information in the light way and which will attract the customers. Such type of information should be present in a right way also, and through right way customers can attract toward the product. That's why another second thing also retailer should have to keep in the mind. What is it? Focus has to be customer. Then another thing also we have to understand. What is it? Differentiate from competition. There are so many e-commerce sites are also there, and you have to offer sometime, you have to offer something better to get customer to your online stores. It means that there are n number of better opportunities are there. There are n number of sites are also available there. N number of offers are also there, and differentiate from the competition. You should have to make differentiate efforts from the competitors. Then pricing, selling the operational cost. Selling the operational cost of online stores are much less compared to the traditional physical stores, which can encourage customers to buy in bulk. It means that pricing is also essential. Your price of the product should be reasonable. Your price of the product should be attractive, and this thing also you should have to keep in mind. Then focus of logistics. The biggest challenges in running an online stores, the biggest challenges in running online stores is to manage the logistic cost. Retailers have to partner. Try to understand. Retailers have to partner with multiple logistic companies. For what purpose? To bring down cost. Okay. These things also you have to keep in the mind. Now, what are the challenges faced by e-commerce? There are different types of the challenges e-commerce has to face. First, channel integration. This is also a very important challenge. Then another challenge is also there, impact of social media affecting the buying behaviors. It means that there is the impact of social media which affecting the buying behaviors also. It means that their likes and dislikes are also going to change day by day, and such type of changes are also you have to consider. Then challenges in going global. It means that connectivity, global connectivity should be there, and such type of a challenge is also there. Then customer loyalty, creation of customer loyalty. It means that creation of loyal customer, that is also big challenge in front of the e-commerce also. Then improve the conversion improvement is also essential there. It means that such type of a conversion means one product you can convert into the other, and such type of a conversion is also should be there, is also required there, and for that purpose you should have to make improvement in the conversion also. Now another style, another trend in retailing you will find, that is f-commerce. That is also no new for you, because you are one step ahead than me. Okay. The web continues to disrupt our traditional way of thinking, transforming industries and the business models. It has become very common to see groups on Facebook, okay, facebook.com, created by members who sells products online, starting from makeup to clothes. It means that such type of products are there, makeup to clothes, such type of products are also there. We see companies increasingly using Facebook for e-commerce and use it as another channel for shopping. Selling through Facebook is called f-commerce. Try to understand. Selling through Facebook That is called F-commerce. You have listened e-commerce, but now F-commerce is also here, and this type of trend is also going to arise. In this way, this is also very very effective trend of retailing. Okay, and then another thing is also there. F-commerce is growing and becoming a trend as it is easy to use and doesn't require programming skills to set up the Facebook stores. It means that there is no extra skills are required. There are no additional programming skills are also required. Very very simple techniques are there. That is also user friendly technique. Retailers are experimenting with the new channels, hoping that their Facebook fan, try to understand, their Facebook fans will drive up the sales. The list of software developers offering e-commerce product, and those are growing. Many come from traditional e-commerce, offering Facebook as an extension for their clients. It means that those who are trading their product through e-commerce also they are going to use e-commerce. No doubt Facebook is powerful service and a great marketing tool. Definitely, that is a powerful service, and Facebook is also the great marketing tool. Don't forget it all. Organizations should leverage it to get maximum benefit. There is nothing wrong in experimenting. A long organizations are built upon the lesson learned. That's why this thing also you should have to understand. In this way, F-commerce, this new concept also we have studied, and these are the references which sites I have referred for the preparation of this presentation. Okay, if any difficulty will be there, you can contact me with this email. Okay, thank you very much.